How low is that playing on that drop?
22.
22, wow.
Yeah.
Man, very nice job, man.
I appreciate it.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name? What's in here, man?
Crutis on TKB. It's 2 Deaf Bonce 3012Rs on 2 Cab 22s, 1 ohm a piece, 30 amp hour C-Max, 320 amp Auto-Tech alternator.
Who built the box?
Me and my buddy.
Okay.
It's 4.5 cube, tuned at about 30.
Nice.
I built it for them subs.
Okay. Is this a 6-inch port?
Yes.
6 inch. Okay.
6-inch Aeroport.
Nice. And you got the trunk really sealed off in the back, so
Yeah.
most of the pressure's inside.
Oh yeah, and I got.
Oh, so you can't open. There's nothing up there. Sunroof's gone.
Well, so the glass is still there,
Yeah.
but you can't.
Yeah, got it.
You ain't opening
Yes,
that.
sir.
And
There you go. Yeah, solid roof everywhere.
oh yeah.
Have you done any SPL testing on it?
With my buddy's little SPO meter, I did once I did this, it was 146 at 28,
Okay.
and before I did this, it was 148.5, I think it was,
Okay.
at like 30.
30. Low tuning then.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's,
sir.
like I said, it's tuned. I had it tuned at 28. Did this, I raised it up a little bit to 30.
Awesome.
So,
Okay. What vehicle?
little 99 Toyota Solara.
Toyota Solara. All right.
Yep. Little 2-door.
What kind of platform is this?
It's just a OSB platform that I built when I took the
Yeah.
back seats out.
Yes, sir. Nice. You've done a lot of work. You did a good job.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we got of Crutis's system. He did a really good job with the showcasing, so be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. And shout out to you. I know you're watching, man. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2022. So I always like to show the show details as well. So if you haven't already, check out the links in the description for all details about the system and more videos to come every single day, as well as comment and let Crutis know what you think about his system. Definitely got some positive things to say. First, he really did a really good job of sealing off his trunk for this dual 12-inch subwoofer system. These subs are the Deaf Bonce rated for 2800 watts RMS, and he has them on a 2200 watt amp on each of them, which is a really good job there. And it actually has really solid flex down to 22 hertz. You're going to see he's going to play 2 songs for us. We're going to try doing a hair trick and some other things in the fun video. So you got to stay tuned. Some really nice job with the outside flex as well my wife got. So the last thing I really like is that he did an Aeroport instead of a slot port. They gave him a different lower tuning to play down to low 20 hertz range. So looking forward to showing you all the crazy subflex, especially on that second song that he plays. And anybody that's trying to do a trunk wall or a trunk system, always recommend having the seats down and walling it off where the subs are facing into the cabin. Seems to be the loudest for most of the people I get demos from. So shout out to you, Crutis, for a great demo. We're about to get to it. So go ahead and enjoy the bass demo.
too. Wow.
Yeah.
Man. Very nice job, man.
I appreciate it. And I got,
Got one more?
yeah, I got
All right. Her hair's a little heavy, but that's pretty good for some 12s in the trunk.
Yeah.
Really good job, man. Nice job.
Appreciate it.
What kind of platform is this?
It's just a OSB platform that I built when I took the back seats out.
Yes, sir. Nice. You've done a lot of work. You did a good job. Appreciate the demo.
it,
What was your name?
Crutis.
Crutis. All right, good job, man. You have a good day.
More than welcome to choose one.
There you go.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.